Install blocking at desired height between pre-existing wall studs. Apply wallboard according to manufacturer instructions. Install brackets at the desired height using the provided hardware. Ensure they are level and securely attached. Apply adhesive to the brackets and then set the bottom board onto the brackets. Apply adhesive to the bottom board. Attach the top board to the bottom board. Apply a layer of thin set and wrap the exposed sides and brackets in provided tape. Apply thin set and your choice of finished product. The bench can be cut down to customized specifications. The original floating corner shower bench kit, an original Granite Bracket product.